In this video, we will explain how to fill out the Lean project dashboard. The board in this video has been pre-filled, but we will walk through filling out a task using the electrician as an example. The first column can be used however it best fits your team's needs. You can put the trades names here, or you can designate certain floors or areas, as well as highlighting critical path tasks. Next is the task column. Each trade working on site will be assigned a color. In this example, the drywall crew is red, the electricians are in green, the plumbers are purple, and the painters are orange. In this column, each trade will fill out their tasks that they will be working on over the next 3 weeks. Tasks will be working towards the project milestones and coordinated with related tasks and trades. For this exercise, we will be filling in line 9 for the electricians. According to the dashboard, the drywall trade will have Area A walls framed by the end of day Monday, allowing the electrician to start the wall rough needed in Area A. Let's write electrical wall rough Area A on line 9. Next, you will see the safety, quality, and inspections column. If a task requires one of these 3 items, it should be circled. For our wall rough example, a quality check is needed to verify the electricians installed their devices at the proper heights and locations. The word quality should be circled to remind the entire team that this quality check needs to be completed. The next section is a requirement column. In this section, you would write anything that is needed to complete this task. Some common examples might be material on order or missing, needing more manpower to be able to meet the commitment, or waiting on an RFI response. You may even need another trade to complete a specific task or move some material. Anything that can keep your team from reaching the committed date should be noted in this column. For our example task, the electrician has everything needed. However, you would notice that an RFI will impact work on line item 4 for the drywall trade, and the same RFI impacts line 11 for the electrician. The electrician also has a material constraint listed on line 15. Noting these constraints here is important to keep the entire team aware of potential issues. Other trades could also be part of the resolution. There will be more on constraint management in another video. The next section is broken into 3 weekly segments. This is where you can make manpower projections as well as duration commitments. Each day has 2 sections. The top left is where you would write in the required manpower for that day. The bottom right portion is used to track manpower during the morning huddles. The wall rough task will take 4 crew members. To show this, you would write 4 in the top left corner for each day this work will take place. The electrician knows he should be able to complete this task in 4 days with 4 crew members, so he puts 4 on each day that they will be working on the task. When a trade has crews working on multiple tasks, they should break out their manpower per task. The overall manpower should match the combined manpower shown on the project dashboard for that day. Using Monday, the 2nd, as an example, the drywall crew should have 8 people, the electrician 7, and the plumber has 4 people for the total of 19 people on site. Best practice tips. If space is short, not every scope item that is being worked on will need to be listed on the board. Scope items that do not impact critical path or handoffs do not need to be listed. Make sure the task listed is clear and understood by everyone. A 10-day duration is the maximum duration on any one scope item. If a task will need longer than 10 days, it will need to be broken down into smaller manageable tasks or areas. Prioritize trades based on the workflow of your project. The trades driving your milestones should be at the top of your board.